how to enter voucher code in Lazada. Here's what you have to do. Load up the Lazada app and search for the item which you want to enter a voucher code for. I'm just going to search for wallet, and let's say that I want to purchase this wallet right here, portable wallet. You add the item to your cart, choose the cover, and you want to enter your cart on Lazada. Now you will proceed to checkout. Once you click on checkout, you will have the available payment methods here. So depending on your payment methods, some payment methods will support voucher codes. So you will just choose the payment method which you want to use, confirm the selection, and if your payment method allows it, you will see a section for voucher and code. Click on here and you can choose the applicable vouchers from this list. Just choose the voucher itself, confirm it, or enter the code directly, and this is going to apply it to your order. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.